Good morning, guys. So, after hiking the Everest yesterday, or Ben Bourbon, they're both based the same, Niamh wants to go for a run. I do not. So, we're going to wish her luck, and if the rest of the journey is with me on my own, we know she's been murdered. So, Niamh.
Nice knowing you.
It was nice knowing you. To Niamh's parents, I tried my best to retain her in bed. But she really wanted to go on a run, didn't you? Yeah. Don't worry, no one's going to murder her like that. See you later.
Bye.
Okay then. We're just preparing the bike. Yeah, we're going to Donegal village now, or Donegal.
I survived my run, by the way.
Yeah, she survived her run, she's still here, unfortunately. Just going to see what the village is like, or town. And then we're going to go to the Slieve League mountains. And then we're going to go on a nice motorbike journey to Derry. And then hitting Northern Ireland. Last day in Ireland. Look at that. Hopefully it stays like that all day.
It's really warm today.
Yeah, you just need to get a ticket for your bike, pull into the bus stop, get the ticket in the shop, then you can carry on.
Okay,
Alright?
thank you. This is our light meal before we hit Derry. Just a little snack.
So guys, we're leaving early because Sam's drunk. It's 11 o'clock. He's had 4 ciders and
Hi guys, I'm fine.
he's drunk. So we're going home. Well, we're going to our hotel thingy and we'll see you in the morning. Babe, they've gone.
So you know how Niamh was acting all cool that she wasn't drunk or anything? She's now got the hiccups. It's really cute.
I can't get rid of them. I've held my breath like my water upside down. I can't do anything. I can't get rid of them.
Let's just wait for one more.
I bet one won't come now. I'm free.
Anyway, we I think we'll stop annoying you now and we'll and we'll go to bed.
Babe, I can't get rid of them. Please.
So
Can you make me jump or something so I get rid of them? I don't know what else I can do.
anyway.
I hate the hiccups. This isn't fun. I actually hate the hiccups.
Just say good night.
Good night, guys.
Good night.